How to send disappearing or secret messages on Signal. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started and keep watching till the end. Open Signal app on your device. Open a conversation for someone you want to send a disappearing message. Tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner. From the options, tap on disappearing message. Now choose the duration from the existing options ranging from 30 seconds to 4 weeks, or choose custom time option, set the time frame and tap on set. Now tap on save button to confirm the duration. Start typing your text message or select photos, stickers and then send it. You will see a countdown timer appear next to the message. When the countdown ends, the chat disappears. You can keep changing the timer as many times as you want. That's it. Thank you for watching.